Top 5 Best Raised Garden Kits. Number 5. Keter Easy Grow Raised Garden Bed. If you're interested in wicker styles, the raised garden bed from Keter might be best. It has a modern design with wider legs to make the whole thing sturdy. This one is a bit different than the others, as it has a water gauge. That tells you how much water the plants have and if it is time to add moisture. Of course, it is also small enough to sit on a balcony or patio without taking up too much space. Its drainage system can be closed or opened so that you are in control of the watering process. You also get a water reservoir to ensure that there is an adequate supply without having too much. Coming in number 4. VegTrug 8 Pocket Herb Garden. With the 8 Pocket Herb Garden from VegTrug, you have a fully contained unit. It's got 8 different sections to house various herbs or plants. Plus, it sits high enough that anyone can use it, even if they have difficulty bending or stooping. There are pre-formed liners included, and you can replace them with new ones as needed. The product is made of wood, but it is safe for food items. It's treated with a preservative that makes it food safe. Underneath the pockets, you've got a lower shelf. This is an ideal place to keep your gardening tools, such as trowels and a watering can. Plus, the whole thing is quite easy to put together. Coming in number 3. Kingbird Raised Garden Bed. When it comes to sturdiness, you need a raised garden bed made of galvanized steel. Kingbird offers this with its product. Though it is metal, it features galvanized paint, which prevents rust and looks great. You can install it in 4 different ways, which allows for customization. Also, you get 8 tags to label plants, as well as a pair of green gloves. The frame features a double card on both sides of the sheet metal. This makes the bed highly durable and stable. It's not going to collapse or become distorted with age and use, so it is going to stay beautiful. Coming in number 2. Outland Living Raised Garden Bed. Do you like the idea of a standing garden bed? Vertical gardens are quite popular, and you can get one from Outland Living. This is ideal for small spaces because each hanging container gives you enough room to plant whatever you like. You can also separate everything. For example, the bottom can house your favorite vegetables while the second to last spot can be for herbs. Then, the top 2 can house pretty flowers. Make it your own with so many ways to customize it. The plastic bins use polypropylene material. This means that they are lead-free, BPA-free, and mercury-free. Therefore, you can use them to grow food. Coming in number 1. VegTrug 1.8 meter Raised Bed. Are you interested in a raised bed that stands taller than most? Many of them still sit on the ground. The one from VegTrug sits 1.8 meters tall, making it ideal for wheelchairs and the elderly. This bed can hold up to 7 bags of compost, each 60-liter full. Since it stands taller than others, you can cover or net it if you feel the need. You do have to assemble the product, but the instructions come with it. Plus, it is easy to do with household tools, such as a hammer and screwdriver. With 3 sets of legs, it is quite sturdy, as well.